Hello guys, welcome back to another Java episode. In this episode, I'll be teaching you all a new design pattern called the facade design pattern. We'll be looking at a code example for the facade design pattern. What we do is we use the facade design pattern to create a simplified interface that performs many other actions behind the scene. Let's say you want to withdraw $50 from your bank. What you do is you check if the account number is valid and you check if the security code is valid. Then if you check if the funds are available and you pay when you have money in the bank. So the facade design pattern is used for some instances like this. Let's get started and let's learn about the facade design pattern by a code example. Alright, let's start with the design pattern. We'll make a class now and we'll call this welcome to bank. And inside the welcome to bank, we'll have a constructor made. We say public welcome to bank, and inside it let's have some SOUts. We say welcome to K bank, and we'll have another SOUT that says we are happy to give you money that you need. And we'll have a \n like this. And we'll be having another class. This time this will be the account number check class. Inside the account number check class, we'll have a private int account number which will be equals to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and we'll have a public int get account number method place, and it will return account number like this. Then we'll have something like this. We'll have a public boolean account active, and inside it you will have int account num to check like this, and inside it you have if condition that checks if account num check is equal to get account number, and if that's the case we return true. Else we say we return false like this. Next thing, we'll have another class. Here we'll give this class the name security code check, and inside the security code check class we'll have a private int security code which will be equals to 1 2 3 4, and we'll have a public int get security code method, and inside it we'll return the security code, and we'll have a public boolean is security code correct, and inside it we'll have our in security code to check, and we'll have if clause. We'll check if security code correct is equals to, we'll check if security code to check is equals to get security code, and if that's the case we'll return true, and if not we'll have a else that says return false, like this. Next thing, we'll make another class. We'll have a funds check. Inside the funds check class we'll have a private double cash in account, which will be equals to $1,000. And next thing we'll have a public double get cash in account, get cash in account, and it will return the cash in account, like this. Next we'll have a public void method decrease cash in account, and inside it we'll have double cash withdraw, and inside it we say cash in account minus equals cash withdraw. We'll do the same with the increase cash in account method. We'll have a public void increase cash in account, and inside it we'll have double cash deposited, and after that we say cash in account plus equals cash deposited, like this. Then we'll have a public boolean method to check have enough money, and we'll have double cash to withdraw in it, and inside we'll have a if condition, and we'll check if cash to withdraw is greater than get cash in account, and if that's the case we'll less out error, you don't have enough money. And you less out current balance is get cash in account, like this, and we return false, like this. and in the else condition we'll check if we'll have decreased cash in account, and we'll have cash withdraw inside it, and after that we'll have an S out saying withdrawal complete, and current balance is get cash in account, and this will return true finally. Next thing, we'll have another method, public void make deposit, and inside it we'll have a double cash to deposit. This will be like the before class, before method, and here we'll check increase cash in account, and we'll pass cash to deposit into it, and we'll S out deposit complete, and current balance is get cash in account, like this. The facade design pattern decouples or separates the client from all of the subcomponents. The facade aims to simplify interfaces. You don't need to worry about what you underlying them in. Next we'll have another class. We'll save this, and we'll have another class. This time it will be our facade pattern, bank account facade. Bank account facade. Inside the bank account facade class, we'll have first a private in account number, and we'll have a private in security code, and we'll have account number check made account checker, and we'll have a security code check as code checker, and we'll have a funds check as fund checker, and we'll have our welcome to bank initialize as bank welcome. And next thing, we'll have a constructor made public bank account facade, and inside it we say int new account num and int new sec code, and inside it we'll have our account number equals to new account new account number like this. No, we'll have it equals to new account number like this, and we'll make the security code equals to new sec code. And next thing, we'll have the bank welcome equal to new welcome to bank, and we'll have the account checker equal to new account number check, and we'll have the fund checker equal to new funds check. Okay. Next thing, we'll have a method public in get account number, and this will return the account number like this. Next thing, we'll have a public int get security code method, and inside it we return the security code like this. And the next thing, we'll have a public void method to withdraw cash, and inside it we'll have double cash to get, and we'll have a if clause, and we'll check if account checker dot account active get account number, and then code checker dot is security is security code correct as get security code. And next thing, we'll have another, and we'll check if the fund checker dot have enough money is cash to get, and if these conditions are true, we say we'll s out transaction complete, and have a backslash n. No, a /n. And in the else clause, we say s out transaction failed, and we'll have a backslash n. And next thing, we'll have another method public void deposit cash, and inside it I'll declare double cash to deposit like this, and inside it we'll check if account checker dot account active is get account number, and we'll check if code checker dot is code security code correct is get security code, and we'll have another end to check if the fund checker dot make deposit is cash to deposit. Fund checker dot make deposit has cash to deposit, and if that's the case, we'll have the fund checker dot is code make deposit, and if it's cash to deposit, we'll have an S out saying transaction complete, and we'll have else also. The else will say S out, it will say transaction failed, like this. Alrighty, next thing, we'll go here and have a fund checker dot make deposit, and we'll deposit some cash to deposit. Alrighty, and we have to now make the final class which is test bank account, and inside it we'll declare the main method, and we'll have first thing we'll have a bank account Facade, name Facade, make it equal to new bank account Facade, and inside it we'll give our account number and our security check. And next thing, we'll use the Facade to withdraw some cash of $900, and we'll use the Facade to withdraw cash of $50, and finally we'll have the Facade to deposit cash of $200. Alrighty, now let's run this and check the output. Oh, we got welcome to K Bank. We are happy to give you money that you need. And what is this? We got transaction failed 3 times. This happened because we didn't give the correct account number for the Facade. I purposefully did this to show you that we need to give the correct account number and the correct security code. Alrighty, now let's run this again and check the output. This time we got the correct answer. It says welcome to K Bank, and we are happy to give you money that you need, and the withdrawal is complete, and the current account balance is 100. So after withdrawing $900 from $1,000, we get 100, and the next transaction is current balance is $50 because another 50 was taken from 950. Another 50 was taken from the 1,000, and when it was only $100, and finally we have deposited some cash of $200, and after the cash withdrawal only 50 remains, so 200 plus 50 is $250. So the transaction got completed like this. Alrighty, I hope you understood the Facade pattern from this video, and I see you in another pattern another day. Until then, bye guys.